AutoCAD copy command has got a great feature in it or subcommand called the array. Now, you probably know about the array command in AutoCAD, which is a normal polar array, rectangular array, or a path array. Now, in the copy command, we can go off and copy here, select your object, and then start copying it to wherever you want. But what if you want to say, for instance, make 5 copies in a line, sort of in a straight line at predefined intervals that you put on. So going back to copy, well, copy can do that. So I'll show you how to do it. So go into copy, select, press enter, and then say where you want to start from your base point. Now I'm going to put on my author, so we're just going in straight lines. I can go up as well if I wanted to. So with this over here, before I click on my first point to copy it, you'll see that I've got the array command. So I select array, and then it tells me how many items of this item would you like to array. So 7, and then it gives me a preview of 7 copies. Now I can now go and type in, say I want it, so far away, maybe it's, like 2, and it goes and makes 7 copies, a spacing of 2 apart. What you might also notice over there, if I just copy here again, I have my array option. So press A, press enter. Let's make it 7 as well. I can then go and fit. So it's at the bottom over here in the command line. I say fit. So it tells me how it's going to fit in. So it's going to fit in the spaces between which I've clicked on. So quite a nice little feature to be able to quickly get an array. It's a lot less cumbersome than the array as well. For instance, if I had to go do now a rectangular array, I'm going to go switch my workspace. A little bit easier to get to it. You'll see that I've got my rectangular array over here. So now rectangular array, select it, select the object, right click. Okay, so it puts it in there immediately. But then you've got to put in columns and in between and total and rows in between the total, and if you want levels or not. So yes, you're able to do a little bit more in this one, but I think if you just wanted to do a quick 7 copies of an object so far spaced out or between these 2 points, copy array is probably one of your best bets. And it's something that a lot of people don't know about because you don't read the sub commands very often. But yeah, so that's the copy with array command. Thank you very much for watching.